Welcome back everyone. Today we're gonna see how to change default terminal directory in Visual Studio Code. First thing, open Visual Studio Code. In the menu at the top, click Terminal, then New Terminal. In the terminal panel that opens, usually at the bottom, look for the terminal type label on the right side of the terminal panel tab, next to the plus icon. Click the downward arrow next to the plus icon and from the drop-down menu, select Default Profile. At the top of the window, a list of available terminal profiles will appear. Choose Command Prompt from the list. And close the currently open terminal by clicking the trash can icon in the terminal panel. The next time you open a terminal in VS Code, it will default to Command Prompt. And that's it guys. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.